In this video, you will learn German verbs related to project management. We often use these verbs when working with tickets, be it Jira, Zoho, or Azure Devops. For example, when we create a ticket, update it, or close it. If you work in IT support or any project-based role, this video is useful for you. All examples are short and easy to understand. You'll see the German sentence, the English sentence, and the verb in its base form. This will help you speak more confidently, if I can say that, in your daily work. So let's begin. Let's start with the most common actions. Erstellen, öffnen, schließen, aktualisieren, kommentieren. First row, erstellen means to create. Ich erstelle gerade ein neues Ticket. I am creating a new ticket or I create a new ticket. Second row, öffnen means to open. Ich öffne das Ticket, um die Details zu prüfen. I open the ticket to check the details. Third row, schließen. Ich schließe das Ticket nach der Prüfung. I close the ticket after reviewing it. Fourth row, aktualisieren means to update. Ich aktualisiere die Beschreibung des Tickets. I update the description of the ticket. Kommentieren means to comment. Ich kommentiere das Ticket mit einer Rückfrage. I comment on the ticket or I comment the ticket with a question. Let's now look at verbs which can be used for assigning and or organizing tickets. First row, zuweisen, it implies to assign. Ich weise das Ticket dem Entwicklerteam zu. I assign the ticket to the development team. Second row, verschieben means to move. Ich verschiebe das Ticket auf das nächste Sprint. I move the ticket to the next sprint. Löschen means to delete. Ich lösche ein altes, nicht mehr benötigtes Ticket. I delete an old, unnecessary ticket. Bearbeiten means to edit. Ich bearbeite das Ticket heute Nachmittag. I will edit the ticket today afternoon. Fifth row, überprüfen means to check or to review or to go through. Ich überprüfe alle neuen Tickets jeden Morgen. I check all new tickets every morning. Here are some useful verbs for following up and organizing ticket details. First row, nachfragen. It means to follow up. Example, ich frage beim Kunden wegen des Tickets nach. I follow up with the customer about the ticket. Second row, abarbeiten means to process. Example, ich arbeite heute 5 Tickets ab. I process 5 tickets today. Weitergeben means to forward. You can also use it when you say I forward this email, I forward that, or something, anything what you forward. Example, ich gebe das Ticket an das QA-Team weiter. I forward the ticket to the QA team. Fourth row, eintragen means to enter. Not enter a room, but enter something, some data in some file or in a digital format is what I'm trying to say. So example, ich trage die neue Deadline ins Ticket ein. I enter the new deadline into the ticket. Fifth row, auflisten sounds like to list and it also means to list. Example, ich liste alle offenen Bugs in einem neuen Ticket auf. I list all open bugs in a ticket. These verbs are useful when you are working with attachments or adjusting details into the ticket. First row, hochladen means to upload. Example, ich lade die Screenshots ins Ticket hoch. I upload the tickets into the ticket. I upload the screenshots into the ticket. Second row, runterladen means to download. Ich lade die angehängte Datei aus dem Ticket runter. I download the attached file from the ticket. Anpassen. Ich passe die Priorität des Tickets an. Anpassen means to adjust. I adjust the priority of the ticket. Fourth row, aufschreiben. Schreiben means to write. Aufschreiben means to write down. So, example, ich schreibe alle wichtigen Punkte im Ticket auf. I write down all important points in the ticket. Fifth row, Abspeichern means to save. Ich speichere den aktuellen Status im Ticket ab. I save the current status in the ticket. Let's look at verbs related to communication and approvals. First row, mitteilen. It means to inform or to convey. Example: Ich teile dem Team die Änderungen im Ticket mit. I inform the team about the changes in the ticket. Second row, besprechen means to discuss or to talk about. Those who are, if you go to office, in your office, you will have these meeting rooms and they are called as Besprechungsraum. Also, when you are booking booking a meeting via Google Calendar or Outlook or any other tool, if the tool's language is German, then when you try to book a meeting, it will say Besprechung. You can notice this next time when you use one of these tools. So, besprechen, it means to discuss. Example: Ich bespreche das Ticket später mit meinem Chef. I discuss the ticket later with my boss. Third row, genehmigen. Ich genehmige das neue Feature im Ticket. Genehmigen means to approve. I approve the new feature in the ticket. Fourth row, ablehnen. Ich lehne das Ticket wegen fehlender Informationen ab. Ablehnen means to reject. I reject the ticket due to missing information. You may also see the verb ablehnen when you get a meeting invite from someone, and that their two options are zusagen and ablehnen. So next time you notice this. Fifth row, einreichen. It means to submit. Example: Ich reiche das fertige Ticket heute ein. I submit the finished ticket today. Here are some actions that you quite often do during a project. At least the project owners or product owners, they make the developers do these things. So first row, dokumentieren, to document. If you will notice, if I'll just digress here, all the 5 examples of verbs that you see over here, you can easily guess their meanings because they are. Dokumentieren is like document, analysieren is like analyze, implementieren, of course, implement, testen is of course test. I think dokumentieren is twice. Okay, so that's yeah, it's just repetition. So let's start. Dokumentieren, first row, means to document. Ich dokumentiere die Lösung im Ticket. I document the solution in the ticket. Analysieren, ich analysiere den Fehler im Ticket. I analyze the error in the ticket. Implementieren, ich implementiere die Änderung gemäß dem Ticket. I implement the change according to the ticket. Testen, ich teste die neue Funktion im Ticket. I test the new feature in the ticket. Dokumentieren, again repeating. Ich dokumentiere die Lösung im Ticket. I document the solution in the ticket.